You've signed the paperwork. Your realtor has the keys to your new place. You're almost at the finish line. But you're not there yet. A few more things need to happen before the keys can be released. Here's what happens after you sign your mortgage documents. First, the title company sends all of your original signed documents to the mortgage lender. After the mortgage lender receives the documents, they review all the forms and signatures. They want to be sure that no forms or signatures are missing. Once the lender verifies that all the forms are properly signed, they request that a money wire be sent directly to the title company. Some mortgage lenders will do a last-minute credit check. Be sure to follow any credit advice that your loan officer gave you, right up to the last second. Once the title company receives the wire, they can record the deed. In most states, the deed must be recorded at the county assessor's office before you can get the keys. The title company will inform your realtor that the property has recorded, and it's safe to give you the keys. You can start moving in. Congratulations, you're a homeowner. Want to know more? Call us for more information. We look forward to hearing from you.